In dentistry, the term pressure point refers to prosthesis pressure points. If the base of a prosthesis doesn't fit the jaw precisely, or if the prosthesis was not well executed, this may lead to prosthesis pressure points. Here you see such a pressure point. In this case, the patient recently had his remaining teeth extracted due to damage to his periodontium. Immediately after such tooth extractions, the alveolar ridge undergoes serious restructuring, which in turn leads to a poorly fitting prosthesis and the development of pressure points. Anyone who has ever experienced a pressure point knows how painful these small wounds can be. The prosthesis is either cut at that particular point or is relined. You can find out more in the video by the same name. Furthermore, the dentist checks whether it is a static or dynamic pressure point. If it's a static pressure point, the prosthesis has a good hold and only one part of the jaw is being stressed by the uneven support. By leveling the base of the prosthesis, this pressure point is removed. In a dynamic pressure point, the prosthesis does not have a good hold and the occlusion is often not correct. Because of this, the prosthesis moves around and rubs against the oral mucosa, and multiple pressure points develop. Attempting to remove a dynamic pressure point makes no sense because the pressure point simply reoccurs later at a different location. In this case, the prosthesis has to be replaced or at least relined. Oftentimes, prostheses with a soft prosthesis base material, called a soft relining, are offered. Such prostheses are well suited to condition the mucous membrane when the prosthesis is initially settling in. However, the soft relining should be exchanged for a hard one as quickly as possible, because the soft plastic compounds used aren't good for the oral mucosa. And finally, it should be pointed out that a malignant tumor of the oral mucosa can begin much like a pressure point. If the assumed pressure point doesn't heal despite cutting and/or replacement of the prosthesis, then a biopsy of the oral mucosa should be performed in a specialized hospital in order to exclude the possibility of a tumor.